Good afternoon, students. Are you audible to you? Good afternoon. Girls and boys, are you audible to you? Yes. Good afternoon to all. Yeah. Now today we discussed about translation. In the last class we discussed what are required in the translation. What are required? Enzyme is required, ribosome is required, ATP is required, okay, and mRNA is required. These all are required to the what a translation process, right? Yeah. Now process of translation. Process of translation. 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 You know what is the translation? You know what is the translation? Polymerization of nitrogen bases to amino acid. Okay, what is the translation definition? Polymerization of nitrogen base. N to base means nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases to amino acid. Polymerization of nitrogen bases to amino acid is called what a translation, right? Polymerization of nitrogen bases to amino acid, right? These amino acid form the what proteins, right? Amino acid forms the proteins. Amino acid form the what proteins. Okay, so mean what in translation, nitrogen bases are copied to amino acid. These amino acid form the what proteins. Clear? This amino acid sequence, this amino acid polymerization is depends on nitrogen base on the mRNA. अब देखो ये mRNA है ना, these are mRNA. On the mRNA, what nitrogen bases? For example, UUU is there. For example, AUG is there. Like UAC is there, right? On the mRNA, have what are nitrogen bases? This type of nitrogen base are there, right? These nitrogen bases copy the what amino acid. For example, triple U is there now. It's copy the complementary nitrogen base like AAA. This AAA is code to the lysine. Okay, like these are also code to the what other amino acid. Okay, these are also code to the what another amino acid. Means bases are nitrogen bases are copy the what amino acids based on what? Based on what a sequence of nitrogen base on the mRNA. Understand this point? Amino acids are formed. These amino acids are formed based on sequence of nitrogen base on the mRNA. This point is clear? Okay. In translation process, amino acids are amino acids are polymerized. Amino acids are polymerized based on nitrogen base N2 base on the mRNA. This point is clear? It is clear, ma? Any doubt in this point? Boys and girls, any doubt this point? Amino acid are polymerized based on the sequence of nitrogen base on the mRNA. Yes. Next point. Now, just imagine these are cytoplasm. These are what cell. In the cell, what these are what cytoplasm. These are what? Cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, what is this? Cytoplasm. Cell cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, amino acids are present, right? Amino acids are amino acids are present. These amino acids in the cytoplasm is inactive in condition. Amino acids are inactive in the cytoplasm. Okay, in the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme. Amino acyl synthetase enzyme. The inactive amino acid becomes active in the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme. In the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme, which what happened? In the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme. In the presence of amino acyl synthetase enzyme, okay, inactive amino acid becomes active. Inactive amino acid becomes active. Okay, which enzyme is activate the amino acid? 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 Yes, amino acyl synthetase enzyme activate the what? Amino acid, right? Now this activated amino acid require the NH, require the what? NH for binding the what? tRNA. So which one gives the energy? Which one gives the energy? Which one gives the energy? ATP gives the energy. Okay. So now activated amino acid bind at the tRNA. Bind at the which region of the tRNA? 3' region. 3' region of tRNA. 3' region of tRNA. Clear? Now just imagine these are these are tRNA. These are what? tRNA. Okay, these are the tRNA. Here 3' region is there now. To the 3' region, activated amino acid is bind. Okay, activated amino acid bind to the what? 3' region of tRNA. It's called amino acyl tRNA. Amino acyl tRNA. Okay. Note on this point. Activated amino acid is bind at the 3' region of tRNA. So it's called what? Amino acyl tRNA. Note down this point. Next. Are you follow? Any doubts? So activated amino acid bind to the tRNA at which region? Which region activated amino acid is bind to the tRNA? From boys' side. What happened, boys? Did you give the response? Yes, 3' region. Okay, next. It's completed. These are completed. Say yes or not. It's complete or not? Yes. Next. अब अमीनो एसिड आके टीआरएनए पे बाइंड हो गया. नाउ व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ टीआरएनए? टीआरएनए का फंक्शन क्या है? That activated amino acid bring to the what? Ribosome. Bring to the ribosome. Next point. Activated amino acid. Activated amino acid brings the what? tRNA to the what? To the ribosome. To the ribosome. Clear? एक्टिवेटेड अमीनो एसिड है ना, वो एक्टिवेटेड अमीनो एसिड को कौन लेके आता? राइबोसोम पे. राइबोसोम पे कौन लेके आता? टीआरएनए लेके आता. ओके. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड इन द राइबोसोम? नाउ वी सी. ओके. नाउ in first year cell unit of life, already we studied in first year, which cell organelle is called protein factories. कौन सा सेल ऑर्गेनल को बोलता प्रोटीन फैक्टरीज बोल के? which cell organelle is called protein factories? Ribosome. Ribosome is called what? A protein factories, right? Ribosome is called protein factories. Protein factories. Ribosomes are called protein factories. Okay. This ribosome is made up of structural RNA. Okay, ribosome is made up of what? Structural RNA and 80 different types of proteins. Okay, now ribosomes are made up of what? Structural RNA. Ribosomes are made up of structural RNA and 80 different types of proteins. 80 different types of proteins. Okay, 80 different types of proteins are present in the where? In the ribosome. Now, अब ribosome है ना, these are ribosome na. This smaller subunit and larger subunit both are up like these are what? A smaller subunit and these are what? Larger subunit. 60 years and 40 years. 60 years and 40 years. Larger subunit and a smaller subunit. Now this larger subunit and smaller subunit is with the help of which ion is bind? Both are actually in cytoplasm. These two subunits are dissociate. Means two subunits are what? Separate. Okay. Mostly these two ribosome subunits are what? Separate. But during the protein synthesis, these two subunits are what? Associate with the help of magnesium ion. Okay. Initially, mostly ribosome subunits are dissociate during the protein synthesis. During the protein synthesis, two ribosome subunits are associate with the help of magnesium ion. 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 Okay. Now, to add the ribosome, already we discussed in the introduction class. So, this smaller subunit associated with the mRNA. Smaller subunit is associated with the mRNA, and larger subunit have what? Actually, 3 sites are there, but in our book, gave out 2 sites. So we are follow through the what? NCERT only. So at the larger subunit have what? How many sites? 2 sites. That is A site and P site. That is A site and a P site. Clear? Smaller subunit of ribosome associated with the mRNA, and at the larger subunit have what? 2 sites, A site and P site. Okay, and mRNA associated with the what? mRNA associated with the what? Smaller subunit. Initially, these 2 subunits are not separate, but they are what? Closely associated during the translation, means protein synthesis, with the help of magnesium ion. They are what? Joined. Okay. Note down. Note down. Any doubts in this? So where the ribosome, where the mRNA is associated? Where is the mRNA is associated? mRNA कौन सा सब यूनिट से एसोसिएट होता? What? Yeah, translation occurs in cytoplasm. Very good, Javed. Okay. mRNA associate with the smaller subunit of ribosome, right? And these 2 subunits are joined or closely associated with the help of these 2 subunits, larger subunit and smaller subunit. Both subunits are closely associated with the help of these 2 subunits are, yeah, very good, closely subunit, yeah. This smaller and larger subunit both are closely associated with the magnesium ion. Okay, next. Over? These are over? इसके बाद mRNA का स्ट्रक्चर देख के प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस करेंगे. ओके, ट्रांसलेशन प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस करेंगे. व्हाट जावेद, व्हाट हैपेंड? Yeah, translation occurs in the cytoplasm. Occurs in the cytoplasm because after transcription, mRNA formed in nucleus, then transport into the cytoplasm of the cell. Right. Now, अब mRNA देख के process start करेंगे, right? Now, right, mRNA. These are mRNA. Okay, in here 5' region is there. In here 3' region is there. Clear? Okay. At the mRNA, here 5' at the 5' region, AUG is there. AUG, you know what is the AUG? What is the AUG? Initiate the translation code to the methionine, right? AUG equal to Note down here. AUG equal to AUG is initiate the what? Translation. Initiate the translation. AUG. Okay. And then here at the 3' region have what? Stop codons. You know already stop codons. UAA, UAG, UGA. Okay. In here have what? Stop codons. Stop codons. Okay. What are stop codons? Okay. One side have what? Initiate the translation, and another side have what? Stop codons. Okay. Now what is the stop codons? Stop codons. UAA, UAG, and a UGA. These are what stop codons present in this region. Okay, clear? AUG, stop codons. UAA, UAG, UGA are what stop codons. Clear? Now, here UTR region. UTR means untranslated region. Means what? ये translation नहीं होता, वो region पे translation नहीं होता. That's why it's called what? Untranslated region. UTR equal to what? UTR, abbreviation of UTR is what? Untranslated region. This UTR is present at both sides at the 5' and 3' region. Okay, next point. UTR is present at both sides. Both sides means what? 5' site and 3' site. Okay, 5' site and 3' site. At the both side UTR is present. Right? Now, next point. In which region that UTR is present? The 5' at the 3'. Say before start codon. A start codon hai na? Before start codon. UTR is present at the 5'. Before start codon, UTR is present at the 5'. Okay. Now here after stop codon, UTR region is present at the 3'. Clear? Next point here. Before UTR region is present, UTR is present before start codon. Before what? Start codon at the 5' region. At the 5' region. Next, one more point. UTR is present after stop codon. At the what? 3' region. Stop codon at the 3' region. Clear this pointer? Okay, addition to the start and stop codons at the mRNA, addition to the start and stop codons have what? A UTR regions also. This UTR region is present both side. Okay, UTR region is present at the both side, 5' and 3'. So at before start codon, UTR region is present at the 5'. After stop codon, UTR is present after stop codon at the 3' region. Clear now? Note down. Any doubts about initiation? Okay, where it is AUG located, where the stop codons are located, where the UTR region is located. Next, now we see the translation steps. What happened in the translation steps? Now we see. These are over. Completed, ma? Boys and girls, completed. Next, अब देखो. Now translation. What are 3 steps? Translation have how many steps, sir? 3 steps. What are there? Like in the transcription. In the transcription have how many steps, sir? Transcription में कितना step था? In transcription have how many steps? 3 steps. What are there in the transcription word? What their names? Yeah, 3 steps. What there? Initiation, elongation, termination. Right? Here also translation have what 3 steps. Translation have what 3 steps. Step 1 is initiation. Step 1 is initiation. Step 2 elongation. Step 2 is what elongation. Step 2 elongation. And step 3 termination. Step 3 is what termination. Now we see the first initiation. Now we first see the what initiation. What happened in the initiation? अब देखो, these are mRNA. These are what mRNA, right? mRNA. These are 5' region, and these are what a 3' region, right? So at the mRNA, what nitrogen bases now? These are nitrogen bases, nitrogen bases, nitrogen bases, nitrogen bases. Okay. In here AUG is there because of initiation codon. Translation initiation codon is AUG, and here UUU is there, for example, and here UAG is there. Okay. Why not write the UAG? Stop codon. UAG is a stop codon. Don't write here. Okay. Next one ACG, for example, CCC, and AGA, for example, and UAC, for example. These are what adenine, uracil, guanine, uracil, 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 adenine, cytosine, guanine, cytosine, 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 adenine, guanine, adenine, uracil, adenine, cytosine, right? These are the what? These are the what? Nitrogen bases, right? Now in here what AUG. Here UTR region is present now before stop codon. Before start codon, ये start codon है. उसके आगे क्या है? UTR region है. That's why it's not translated. And here after then this region have what stop codons. What that stop codons are? UAA, UAG, UAG, and UGA. These are what stop codons. Stop codons. Okay, after stop codons UTR region is present. Clear? ये clear है क्या? Is it clear? स्टार्ट कोडन ऑलवेज AUG. अपन जेनेटिक कोड में एक्सप्लेन किया ना, AUG perform the dual role. AUG is code to the methionine as well as initiate the translation. Translation को start उन्हें ही करता. Okay. Okay. Now अब ribosome, you know how many subunits of ribosome? 2 subunits of ribosome. That ribosome bind at the AUG region. Ribosome bind at the which region? AUG. कहाँ पे है AUG? इधर है. Okay. It's called what? Initiation. Okay. What is the initiation? At the ribosomes are bind at the AUG region of mRNA. Is called initiation. वहाँ से translation start होता है. Okay. What is the initiation now? Ribosome bind at the AUG region of what? mRNA. AUG region of mRNA. mRNA पे कहाँ AUG है, वहां पे आके राइबोसोम बाइंड हो जाता. क्लियर? अब देखो यहाँ पे है ना AUG region. Now ribosome is bind here. Now ribosome is bind here. Clear? Okay, you know very well. These are what large subunits have what are two sides, A and P. A site and a P site, right? Now what is the initiation? What is the initiation? What is the initiation? Initiation बोले तो क्या? अभी एक्सप्लेन किया ना. इनिशिएट हो रहा, ट्रांसलेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा. कब स्टार्ट होता? राइबोसोम आके किस पे बाइंड होना? mRNA पे. कहाँ mRNA पे? विच प्लेस? एट द AUG रीजन. एट द AUG region. Very good. Ribosome is bind at the AUG region. Let's begin the what? Translation. ये clear है ना? These are clear. Now, अब ये समझो cell. In the cell, cytoplasm is present, right? In the cell cytoplasm, and a number of amino acids are present in the cytoplasm. A means amino acids are present. Okay, these amino acids bring by the tRNA. Okay, tRNA. ये tRNA क्या करता? First listen. These are the anticodon loop ना. Anticodon loop. Okay, ये क्या है? अमीनो एसिड बाइंडिंग साइट. अमीनो एसिड बाइंडिंग साइट. ओके, अब ये टीआरएनए क्या करता? फर्स्ट ये सीक्वेंस को रीड करता. ओके, आफ्टर बाइंडिंग द राइबोसोम एट द AUG region, then tRNA read the what? The sequence. Read the what? The sequence, and it bring the what? Complementary. अब AU का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या है? AUG का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या है मां? U है. A का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री U का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री A, and G का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है C. Okay, so which are code to the UAC amino acid that are bring. That amino acid is what? Bring by the tRNA. Okay, अबे UAC कहाँ पे है? साइटोप्लाज्म में है. Okay, UAC present in the what? Cytoplasm, right? This in the cytoplasm of the AUC is activated by the enzyme and bind at the 3' region. अब इधर bind हो गया ना? UAC आके bind हो गया. Next one, it is tRNA transfer the amino acid to the ribosome at the A region. At the A region. Clear? One more statement here. All amino acids are bind to the A region except methionine. कई को methionine A पे नहीं bind होता बोले तो already इधर AUG है ना. AUG का complementary क्या आता? UAC आता. That's why AUG is not bind at the A region because of AUG is what? Initiate the translation. AUG का complementary क्या है? UAC आता इधर, मगर AUG नहीं आता. Clear this point? Okay. Next point, what? tRNA brings the amino acid. tRNA brings the brings the what amino acid AA मतलब amino acid. Okay, tRNA brings the amino acid to the ribosome. Ribosome के पास amino acid लेके आया कौन? tRNA. ओके, राइबोसोम पे कहां पे बाइंड होता? ए साइट पे बाइंड होता. ओके, नाउ हियर फर्स्ट अमीनो एसिड इज बाइंड एट द ए साइट. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, all amino acids are bind at the all amino acids are bind at the A site except methionine क्लियर. अब एक अमीनो एसिड आके यहाँ पे बाइंड हो गया. नेक्स्ट अनदर टीआरएनए, और एक टीआरएनए, नंबर ऑफ टीआरएनएस आर देयर इन आवर बॉडी. ओके, next tRNA brings the what another amino acid from the cytoplasm. Okay, brings the what another amino acid from the cytoplasm, activated amino acid it's bring. Okay, and this amino acid transfer to the P region, and next coming amino acid, new amino acid bind to what A region. और इधर एक अमीनो एसिड है ना, पुराना अमीनो एसिड इधर शिफ्ट हो गया, नया अमीनो एसिड आके ए साइड पे बाइंड हो गया. सो इन बिटवीन द अमीनो एसिड, ये दो अमीनो एसिड के बीच में क्या होता? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होके पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा, पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड. ओके, टीआरएनए कंटिन्यूअसली ब्रिंग द अमीनो एसिड. कौन सा अमीनो एसिड? अब तो एयूजी था ना, एयूजी था, उसीलिए क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लेके आया उन्होंने? यूएसी लेके आया. और किधर बाइंड किया? यूएसी इधर बाइंड किया ए पे, यूएसी. ओके, नाउ अब उधर से ए रफ कर दे रहा हूं, प्लेस नहीं होता. ओके, देन अब राइबोसोम इसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री लेके आके देन द राइबोसोम इज शिफ्ट टू द नेक्स्ट कोड. नेक्स्ट कोड क्या है? यू इज देयर ना, these are P site E site ribosome. ओके, AUG का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या था? UAC था, इधर UAC लेके आए. राइट, नेक्स्ट द राइबोसोम इज शिफ्ट टू दी. अब ये राइबोसोम समझ लो, मेरा हाथ राइबोसोम, these are what mRNA. अब AUG को कोड कर दिया इधर, then this ribosome is shift to the what next codon. कहाँ है नेक्स्ट कोडन? यहाँ पे ट्रिपल यू पे आके बाइंड होगा. then tRNA read the what the triple U and bring the what that complementary again. U का complementary क्या होता? A होता. ये UAC इधर शिफ्ट होगा. ओके, and tRNA brings the what complementary one. which one? complementary इधर triple U है ना, उसका complementary क्या रहता? A रहता. ओके, and tRNA shift to the what E side. here E side रहता. sorry, these are what A side, not E side, at the A side. ओके, अब U को कोड करके ट्रिपल U को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री कोड करके, ट्रिपल U को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या है? ट्रिपल A कोड कर दिया. नेक्स्ट अगेन दिस राइबोसोम इज शिफ्ट टू द व्हाट नेक्स्ट थर्ड codon site. what is the codon here? ACG. now it brings the tRNA brings the what ACG means what? it brings the UGC it brings. okay, and pass to the what A site, pass to the what A site, to the A site which one is UGC is passed na, transfer na. now this amino acid and this amino acid, in between two amino acid water molecule is removed, again peptide bond is formed. okay, तो इधर वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होके पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो गए ना, ये अमीनो एसिड आके इधर शिफ्ट होगा यूजीसी. ओके, पी साइड पे. अब देखो नेक्स्ट अगेन राइबोसोम इज शिफ्ट टू द व्हाट फोर्थ कोडन. फोर्थ कोडन क्या है? CCC है ना. सो व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ दिस CCC? व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ दिस CCC? अमीनो एसाइल सिंथेटेज है माओ. सलमा लतीफ, that is amino acid. okay, now what is the complementary of the triple C? AAA. Now the tRNA brings the AAA and bind at the which site? A site. Okay, A AAA लेके आया. कौन tRNA लेके आया? Now this AAA and this UGC, water molecule is removed and here peptide bond is formed. Now AAA इधर shift हो गया. Okay, now these are coded ना. Again ribosome is shift to the what here? AGA पे राइबोसोम शिफ्ट होगा. ऐसा राइबोसोम ऐसा आता, एक कोड करके आगे चले जाएगा. ओके, नो व्हाट इज द फिफ्थ कोडन? AGA ना, AGA. सो उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या लेके आता? tRNA. इधर AG है ना. सो व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इट्स ब्रिंग? व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री ऑफ द AGA? AGA का कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्या है? UCA है. Okay, now tRNA brings the UCA. Now tRNA brings the UCA and bind at the A site. Okay, UCA और AAA in between two water molecule is removed. Okay, water molecule remove होके और bond formation होगा इधर UCA का. Okay, so अब देखो एक amino acid, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 amino acids. In between two amino acid, water molecule is removed and peptide bond is formed. Again in these two amino acid, water molecule removed, peptide bond is formed. Again these two, water molecule is removed and peptide bond. Again these two, water molecule is removed and peptide bond is formed. So number of amino acids are coded. This process called what? Elongation. Elongation means ribosomes are shift from one codon to another codon. एक कोडान से और एक कोडान को शिफ्ट हो रहा है राइबोसोम. शिफ्ट होके क्या कर रहा है? After shifting, tRNA brings the what? Complementary codes. tRNA brings the what? Complementary codes and bind at the what? A site region. Okay, at the A site region and last P site region of amino acid, water molecule removed continuously and peptide bond is formed at the P site. P site peptide bond is formed. It's called continuously. It's called what? Ribosome is continuously shift from one codon to another codon, one codon to another codon, one codon to another codon, and finally reach to the what? Stop codon. Finally reach to the what? Stop codon. Okay. Now second step. You know already first step. What is the second step now? What is the second step of second A? अब देखो second step देखो. What is the second step? Are you follow, girls and boys? Elongation. Elongation. What happened in the elongation? Ribosome is shift. Ribosome is shift from one codon to another codon, one codon to another codon, and tRNA brings the amino acid. tRNA brings the amino acid and bind at the A site of what? Ribosome. A site of ribosome. Now P site and A site. Now in a P site and A site amino acids are closely associated. Okay, closely associated, and a water molecule is removed. Water molecule is removed in between two amino acid. In between two amino acid, and a peptide bond, and a peptide bond is formed. Peptide bond is formed, and a peptide bond is formed continuously. This process is called what? Elongation. That process is called what? Elongation. Clear? What is the elongation? What is the elongation? Ribosome is shift. Abhi samjho mRNA. And the mRNA are what like codons. These are what are codons. Okay. This ribosome is shift from one codon to another codon, one codon to another codon. And tRNA read the what sequence of what nitrogen base on the mRNA and brings the amino acid from the cytoplasm continuously and bind at the PA site. First A site and this A site amino acid and the last P site of amino acid water molecule is removed in between two and continuously peptide bond is formed. Okay, this process is called what? Elongation. Understood elongation? Boys and girls, elongation is understood or any doubt? What Javed? What is what? What's your doubt? Clear? Elongation is clear? Yeah, continuously AP. Amino acid continuously bind at the A region and the P region peptide bond is continuously formed. Yeah. What Anish? Anish, Fatima, what happened, ma? Which part is not visible? This one, huh? Wait. Your message is loading now. Yeah, this one, huh? This one. In P and A side amino acids closely associate. Okay. And a water molecule is removed in between two amino acid and peptide bond is formed. Water molecule is removed in between two amino acid and peptide bond is formed. Anish, clear? Yes. So no doubt in elongation, right? What, Rahman? What happened? So no doubt in elongation. Now we are going to the termination. Yeah. Now we are going to the termination region. Okay, elongation is clear now. Boys and girls, elongation is clear. Yes. Now termination. Now termination. In termination, what happened? When ribosome is continuously shift from one codon to another codon continuously. From here to here it shift, here to here, here to here, here to here, continuously shift. And finally here stop codons are there na. Okay, stop codon. This stop codons are does not code the any amino acid. U hai. Sorry, UAA. This UAA, UAG and UGA. This does not code the any amino acid. These are does not code the any amino acid. That's why tRNA does not brings the complementary amino acid. उन्होंने नहीं लेके आता. कहीं के बोले तो ये triple sorry UAA, UAG, UGA. These are not code the any amino acid. ये three codons कौन सा amino acid को code नहीं करता. That's why tRNA does not brings the amino acid. तो यहाँ पे translation stop होगा and here releasing factor is there. That releasing factor what? Release the what? These peptides. Okay. Now at the termination region, at the termination at termination region. At termination region, which one is present? Stop codons. Stop codons are present. At terminated region, stop codons are present. This stop codon does not code. This stop codons does not code the any amino acid. Any amino acid does not code the any amino acid. Okay, that's why tRNA does not brings the amino acid. Okay, and then here at the termination region, release factor is there. At the termination region, release factor is present. These are stop the what? Translation process. Clear now? Round pot is not visible. Which pot? Round pot. Yeah, after removing the water molecule, peptide bond is formed in between two amino acids. Anish. After removing the water molecule in between two amino acids, peptide bond is formed. Okay. Clear termination also. Termination is clear. Yes. From boys side, termination is clear. Now gene expression. Yeah, tRNA stop the brings the amino acid because of ये इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री नहीं है, इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री अमीनो एसिड नहीं है ना, उसीलिए tRNA ने कितना सर्च किया तो भी वो अमीनो एसिड नहीं मिलता. कहीं को नहीं मिलता, वहां पे नहीं है वो. पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड यहाँ पे रहता, पी साइड पे रहता, यहाँ पे नहीं रहता. Release factor is present at there. Release factor at the termination region. Okay. P side पे peptide bond continuously आएगा because of proteins are continuously bind A to P. No, release the peptide bond. Peptide bond कहाँ पे रहता? यहाँ पे P side पे. ये देखो, ये दो अमीनो एसिड बीच में पेप्टाइड, ये दो अमीनो एसिड के पेप्टाइड, ये दो अमीनो एसिड पेप्टाइड. इधर रिलीज फैक्टर रहता टर्मिनेशन रीजन पे उतना ही. Clear? Yeah, okay. Next, gene expression in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. अब देखेंगे gene expression in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Note down this. Now we start our gene expression. Over. So translation is completed. Now gene expression. Gene expression in eukaryotes. Gene expression. Okay. Now In eukaryotes, gene expression 4 levels. Okay, gene expression in eukaryotes. In eukaryotes, gene expression. In eukaryotes, gene expression in 4 levels. In a 4 levels. क्या है वो देखेंगे. 4 levels. Okay. अब देखो. Okay. These are nucleus. These are, what is this? Nucleus. These are what? Nucleus. In the nucleus are what? DNA. Na? Like these are DNA. These are what? DNA. Okay. First level I am telling. In the nucleus, DNA undergoes. In the nucleus, DNA undergoes transcription. That undergoes what? Transcription. Transcription. Okay. First, form the what? HNRNA. This HNRNA is a precursor of mRNA. HNRNA is nothing but heterogeneous nuclear RNA. HNRNA means, इधर लिख लो. HNRNA is heterogeneous nuclear RNA. These are precursor of mRNA. These are precursor of mRNA. Okay. Now this HNRNA undergoes processing level. Undergoes processing. ये HNRNA क्या होगा? Processing means what? Nothing but splicing. Okay. HNRNA undergoes what? Undergoes what? Process level. In the bracket, process means what? Splicing. What is the splicing? Already explained in transcription process. Splicing, capping, tailing, cistron, polycystonic, monocystonic, all are explained, na? All are explained in the transcription, right? So what is the splicing? What is the splicing? What happened in the splicing? Splicing बोले तो क्या? Removing of not removing of cistrons. Cistron is a segment of DNA. वो segment को नहीं remove करेगा, introns को remove करेगा. On the HNRNA, introns are there na, interrupts the genetic flow na, genetic information flow na. That introns are removed by the restriction endonuclease. It's called splicing. Okay. So a HNRNA, this HNRNA, किधर से? ए DNA से क्या बना? HNRNA बना. HNRNA undergoes processing level. Processing means nothing but splicing. Okay. Splicing okay. This HNRNA becomes mRNA. HNRNA becomes mRNA. Okay, mRNA formed in the where? In the nucleus. In the nucleus. From the nucleus, mRNA is transported. From the nucleus, mRNA is transported into the cytoplasm of the cell. Cytoplasm of the cell. Clear? So first note on this point. First note down. In eukaryote, gene expression 4 levels. What that 4 levels now we discussed? What that 4 levels are? Yeah. First is what? Level 1. Level 1 is what? First level में क्या हुआ देखो? DNA से HNRNA आया. These are what level 1. And level 2 क्या हुआ? Processing हुआ. Level 2 processing हुआ. Level 3 क्या हुआ? mRNA is transferred from nucleus to cytoplasm. These are level 3. These are what are level 3. And this mRNA is translate form a what proteins. Form a what proteins. These are what 4 steps. Fourth step. Okay. So now what are first note on this. There's 3 points are note down first. These 3 points. Yeah, very good. Yes, very good. Now, अब देखो. Yes. So what is the first level? Formation of DNA to hnRNA, right? It's called transcription level. Formation of DNA to what? hnRNA is called what? Transcription. First level is transcription level. First level. Okay. Second level क्या हुआ? Second level hnRNA undergoes processing. Okay. Then second level, these are what? First level. Second level is hnRNA undergoes processing. hnRNA undergoes processing level. In the bracket क्या लिखते हैं? in the bracket क्या लिखेंगे? ब्रैकेट में splicing means remove the introns from the exons. Yes, bracket close. hnRNA undergoes splicing. Okay. Third level क्या है? Third level, so after splicing hnRNA becomes what? A mRNA, right? After splicing hnRNA becomes mRNA. Okay. Now this mRNA transport from where to where? From nucleus to cytoplasm. Now mRNA transport from where to where? From nucleus to cytoplasm. Okay. Now process 4 is what? In the cytoplasm mRNA synthesis of what? Proteins. Okay. So fourth level is what? Translation level. Fourth level is translation level. Okay. So how many levels are there in eukaryotic translation? In eukaryotic translation, how many levels are there? 4 levels. What is the third level? What is the third level? I'm asking third level. Third level क्या है? इधर देखो एक बार. mRNA transport from nucleus to cytoplasm. That is the third level. Okay. Now what is the second level? Transport mRNA to cytoplasm. Where to where? mRNA transport to where? Javed, from nucleus to, sorry, ऐसा नहीं. Nucleus से किधर आया? mRNA. Third is what? mRNA transport from nucleus. ये क्या है? Nucleus है. इधर लिखा ना nucleus. So mRNA transport from nucleus to cytoplasm. Okay. Next, what is the fourth level occurs in where? Level 4 occurs in where? Level 4, very good. Level 1, 2, 3 occurs in Level 1, 2, 3 occurs in. Very good. Level 1, 2, 3 occurs in the nucleus and level 4 occurs in the cytoplasm. ये point लिख लो. These three levels occurs in. इधर लिख लो. Level 1, 2. Okay, level 1, 2 and 3. Level 1, 2 and 3 occurs in nucleus. And level 4 occurs in cytoplasm. Okay. Next. These are gene expression, and tomorrow we have 2 minutes only, 1 minute only, and tomorrow we start the what gene expression in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. अपन क्या बोले ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में in eukaryotic split genes are there, split because introns exons are repeated, but this type of split genes are not present in the prokaryotes. Prokaryote में ऐसा नहीं रहता. Okay, that's why for the what it's called, for the formation of mRNA, any processing level is not required. For the formation of mRNA, any processing level is not required. But in eukaryote have what split genes now. That's why hnRNA to RNA, mRNA, hnRNA to mRNA. Which level is required? Which level is required in the eukaryotes? Processing level is required for removing the introns. These processing level are not seen in where? In prokaryotes. Yes, clear? Any doubts? So which cell organelle is called protein factories? Which cell organelle is called protein factories? Yes. Which type of ribosome involved in translation? Which type of ribosome involved in translation? Oh, that is subunit. 60S is a subunit. Very good. 80S ribosome. Okay. mRNA associate with the which subunit? mRNA associate with the which subunit? Yes, 40S. 40S. And larger subunit have how many sites? Based on our NCRT. Larger subunit. Yeah, what are there? The two subunits are, one subunit is what? Amino acid binding site, and other site is what? In the larger subunit have what? Two sites. Larger subunit of ribosome have what? Two sites. Okay. Site A binds the what? Site A binds the amino acid. Very good. A and P. At the A site binds the what? And P site binds the what? A side amino acid binding site. Very good. And P site? Yes, very good. Peptide bond. Okay. Where in which stage translation is begin? कब translation start होता? ट्रांसलेशन कब स्टार्ट होगा? कब? नो, राइबोसोम आके mRNA पे बाइंड होता ना. कौन सा रीजन पे राइबोसोम बाइंड होता है mRNA पे? In which region ribosome is bind at the mRNA? कौन सा region पे ribosome bind होता? Oh, AUG. Forget. Ribosome bind at the AUG region. region, then initiate the translation. राइबोसोम आके AUG पे बाइंड होता, जब क्या होता, जब ट्रांसलेशन इनिशिएट होगा. वेरी गुड. एंड देन either side of the mRNA. अब mRNA पे 5 प्राइम पे क्या होगा, 3 प्राइम पे क्या होगा? What are present at the 5 प्राइम and at the 3 प्राइम? 3 प्राइम पे क्या रहता, 5 प्राइम पे क्या रहता? Yes, at the 5 prime I have what a start codon. Start codon at the 5 prime, start codon, and at the 3 prime I have what a stop codons. UAA, UAG, UGA. Stop codons. And here at the 5 prime I have what start codon. AUG is there. And next pointer, UTR region is present in both sides, right? UTR region is present at both sides. Yes, both sides. At the 5 prime region, UTR is present at where? At the 5 prime, UTR is present at the where? Before? Oh, start codon. Start, not stop. David, start codon. Yes, AUG is a start codon. Okay, before start codon, the 5 prime region, UTR is present. UTR is present before start codon at the 5 prime region, and after stop codon, UTR region is present after stop codon at the 3 prime region. Clear? Yes. Any doubts from boys and girls? Any doubts? Clear? No doubts. Right, thank you. And tomorrow we discuss the what gene expression in prokaryote, like lack operon. Tomorrow we'll discuss, okay? Thank you.